Today we are going to discuss summary of the poem The Vanishing Village and also we will discuss some questions in this video. अगर आपके पास इन क्वेश्चन में से कोई भी क्वेश्चन पेपर में आ जाता है तो आपने समरी को ही मोल्ड करके अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ द क्वेश्चन आपने आंसर राइट कर देना है. तो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है ड्रा पिक्चर ऑफ डेजर्टेड विलेज इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है राइट अ ब्रीफ समरी ऑफ द पोएम. कभी भी वैसे ऐसे क्वेश्चन सीधा सीधा नहीं आता कि राइट अ ब्रीफ समरी ऑफ द पोएम. आपको क्वेश्चन को मोल्ड करके दिया जाता है. डू यू शेयर द सैड फीलिंग्स ऑफ द पोएट अबाउट द वैनिशिंग विलेज. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डू यू शेयर द सैड फीलिंग्स ऑफ द पोएट अबाउट द वैनिशिंग विलेज. अगर इन क्वेश्चन में से कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपके पास आ जाता है तो आपने उसका आंसर समरी की ही सूरत में लिखना है, लेकिन आपने क्या करना है, उसको मोल्ड कर देना है. In the poem, the poet draws a sad picture of a village which is vanishing. The inhabitants of the village have left and gone to the city in search of the comforts of the modern life. There are only a few houses in the village. They are in a bad shape. There is only one tavern and one shop in the village. The streets of the village have disappeared. There is just one path in the village which leads to the top of a short hill. The hill too is eaten away by the repeated storm of wind and water. The way which passes through the village is also deserted. It is not frequented by people. The result is that wild grass and bushes have appeared on the way. There is no sign of life in the village. Once there used to be a sick dog sitting in the sun. He was tormented by the fleas. He used to strike at the fleas, but that sick dog too has died. However, a young girl is seen going from one door of the house to the other. She represents better future for the village. She transcends the boundaries of life, of time and space. She may develop and grow with the passage of time and may revive the life and activity of life. The poet thinks that we cannot finish the unit of village from the culture and civilization of the world. It is the basic unit of life. The whole civilization of the world moves around it. I hope this video will be helpful for all of you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.